Patio door installation in New Orleans, Louisiana, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Whether you're interested in sliding glass doors or French doors, our expert team provides top-notch patio door installation Louisiana residents can rely on. Custom patio doors. New Orleans are designed to fit your unique style and needs, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Sliding glass doors New Orleans are a popular choice for those seeking a modern and sleek look. These doors offer easy access to outdoor spaces and allow natural light to flood your home. Our sliding glass doors New Orleans services ensure a seamless installation process, providing you with a beautiful and functional addition to your home. French doors installation NOLA is ideal for homeowners who prefer a classic and elegant design. These doors add a touch of sophistication to any room and are perfect for creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Our French doors installation NOLA services guarantee a flawless fit and finish. Energy-efficient doors. New Orleans are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our energy-efficient doors. New Orleans services include a range of options, from insulated patio doors, New Orleans, to double-glazed doors, NOLA, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Patio door replacement NOLA is necessary when your existing doors are outdated or damaged. Our patio door replacement NOLA services provide a wide selection of styles and materials, including aluminum patio doors New Orleans and vinyl patio doors NOLA to suit your preferences and budget. Storm doors New Orleans offer added protection against harsh weather conditions. Our Storm Doors New Orleans services include installation and maintenance, ensuring your home remains safe and secure during storms and hurricanes. Bifold patio doors. Louisiana are perfect for those who want to maximize their living space. These doors fold neatly to one side, creating a wide opening that seamlessly connects your indoor and outdoor areas. Our bifold patio doors Louisiana services ensure a smooth and efficient installation process. Aluminum patio doors New Orleans are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our aluminum patio doors New Orleans services provide a range of styles and finishes to complement your home's aesthetic. Vinyl patio doors NOLA are an affordable and versatile option for homeowners. Our vinyl patio doors NOLA services include a variety of colors and designs, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Wooden patio doors Louisiana offer a timeless and natural look. Our wooden patio doors Louisiana services provide high-quality materials and craftsmanship, ensuring your doors are both beautiful and long-lasting. Patio door maintenance New Orleans is essential for keeping your doors in top condition. Our patio door maintenance New Orleans services include regular inspections, cleaning, and replacements to ensure your doors function smoothly and efficiently. Double-glazed doors NOLA provide excellent insulation and noise reduction. Our double-glazed doors NOLA services offer a range of options to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort.